Every summer, Boyce Thompson Institute hosts 30 undergraduate researchers funded through the NSF and USDA Research Experiences for Undergraduates Program, or REU. We provide 10 weeks of experiential, hands-on research opportunities for undergraduate students interested in exploring plant science research careers. This program provides them with the opportunity to explore career pathways in research, learn new skills, and explore graduate school options. Our researchers leave with invaluable knowledge and experience, empowering them to transform their interests into meaningful real-world impact. Additionally, BTI offers a 6-week summer research program for local high school students, supported through private foundations and funding. To celebrate the summer experience, our undergraduate and high school students presented their research posters at our annual George and Helen Kohut Symposium on August 7th. Let's meet a few of the summer researchers.
This experience has been really life-changing for me. Being here and being surrounded by so many other of my peers who also are interested in science has just really evoked the sense of passion in me.
This summer was really awesome for me because this is my first research experience. So I learned a lot of new techniques and protocols that are really important going into my career, into research.
This experience really taught me how to code, and it taught me a lot about plant biology that I really didn't know before, which I found really interesting. And it's definitely something that I think I might pursue in the future.
This internship was really an amazing experience to show my research skills, and as I'm applying to grad school this fall, the various professional development seminars that we went to and all the different events that the BTI staff produced for us is really going to show that I have explored scientific endeavors enough, and it was really just amazing to experience all of these opportunities.
I worked on 3 different projects this summer, and this really taught me how to balance my time, but each of these also gave me a new experience, and this really helped me give me the self-confidence and preparedness to take the next step for me, which is going to grad school to hopefully achieve my career goal of becoming a biology professor.
It's definitely helped me learn how to develop research questions and then implement them in experiments more autonomously. But outside of that, I think I also learned a lot about the type of environments that I'm looking for in the future to continue researching.
You can learn more about our programs and support us by visiting our website at btiscience.org.